If you really got a cow out there, I don't believe it.
Well, you gotta look out and see.
Far ahead, Grandma. Just gonna butcher the cow.
We don't sweat the small stuff. We just get cows.
You hear it? I heard something.
Brandon heard him moo.
I heard something.
That was Jesse in there.
Oh, it was Jesse.
Let me see what's in the trunk. Oh, you didn't have it tied down. Oh, you didn't have a rope on it?
It got out, Grandma. Oh, no.
Oh,
Now there's a cow probably running around your yard.
It's running around the house. I saw his tail.
What?
I saw his tail going wiggle waggle.
It's fly flapper.
Hey, how you people doing?
Grandma, it's April 1st.
I know
April
it.
Fool's.
I know
She knew it.
It's April Fool's, and you walked over and you looked, which means we fooled you.
You weren't supposed to.
Well, I had to play it out, didn't I?
Yeah.
We fooled
I
her.
called you Mommy just an hour ago.
She had to play it out.